We're going to be taking a quick look at the Hoover Windtunnel Max Performance PET, model UH72625. This is a bagless upright vacuum cleaner that sells at or below $200 US. Starting with the attachments, the hose is a decently long stretch hose that clips into place. It's also mounted low enough on the body to remain stable. An air-powered turbo brush would normally mount here. There would be an extender wand mounted here, with a crevice tool inside of it. Finally, there would be a dusting brush mounted here. The cord is decently long and stores on the back of the unit. The power switch is located on the handle, which is a nice feature. The brush disengages in upright mode and when the pedal is depressed. Now let's see it in action. We're going to start just on carpet, with flour, bran cereal, and pet hair. As you can see, it did pretty well on the debris, but did miss a spot of pet hair where the belt is. Now let's look at the edge cleaning on the side with the hose. You'd probably want to break out the crevice tool for this, since there are no bleeds on the bottom plate. I'd expect a similar performance from the other side of the head. Let's look at the hard floor performance. As you can see, it had no real troubles, but did miss some of the excessive amount of flour that I put on the floor. For dirt separation, it has a multi-cyclonic setup with a washable pre-motor filter, as well as a post-motor HEPA filter. Everything disassembles easily for maintenance. By far my least favorite thing about this vacuum cleaner is the build quality. Let's take a quick look at a few of the issues. In conclusion, though, the price, performance, and practicality of it make it a viable option for a budget-friendly machine. With a gentle hand and regular maintenance, it should last long enough to do the job.